Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. This week I'm going to be building this leg vise. So I've been wanting to build a leg vise for a while now, but it's always been so expensive, like using the handcrafted hardware, which is great and all that stuff, but it's just so expensive, and I didn't want to spend that much money on this bench because, well, no, this bench isn't square. When I built it really quickly, and there's all kinds of flaws to it, but I get it flat, and I did square off this edge so that I could build the leg vise now. But I didn't want to spend the hardware on this bench since it's probably not going to be my last bench. I'm eventually going to want to build a really, I don't want to say nice bench, but a better bench. But I saw Dima's video that he made a leg vise, and I'm like, now that was interesting to me, because all I had to buy for this build was this rod, which was like 20 bucks, 20 something dollars, $25 maybe, and that's it. Oh, and I bought some wheels which are on the bench, and I'll show you later. I actually used just caster wheels, simplest way to do it, and so the whole build was maybe $30, and that was great. I already had the wood, I had this piece of maple and some walnut, and then I turned this. I didn't even buy a metal washer because I couldn't find one, a big metal washer like Dima had. I'm not sure where he found it, but if you can find a metal washer, that would be good. But I used a wood garter. You cut a groove in this knob that accepts this garter that holds it to the leg vise and makes everything pull in and out perfectly. So let's get to building. So I'm preparing for this glue up, and I thought I'd show a couple of things that I do before I glue it up to make it easier a little later. What I'm going to actually glue up is basically I'm going to glue up the centerpiece, 2 walnut pieces, and then 2 of the same maple pieces to make a thick piece here, which will eventually get shaped into the leg vise. But I found that there's a couple of little tips that I can share here, just simple tips about the glue up before you actually glue it up. Obviously you want to set everything up so that you have less stress, you know. So the first thing I do is, once I get everything kind of set up in the way I'm gonna glue it, I like to mark which way the grain is as much as I can. That way, when I glue these up, I can try to get the grain to all go the same way so that when I plane them down, I'm not running into all different grains from all the different wood. Sometimes it's unavoidable, but you know, sometimes you can get away with just a little planning, and you don't have to worry so much later on. And I like to mark them with a pencil just so I don't mess up. And like this one, sometimes it's a little hard to figure out, but you know, the best you can do is, well, the best you can do. And just get it basically ready to glue up as much as you can. I ain't going nowhere.